Welcome to the How To Studio. In this video, I will show you how you can add or remove an app from your taskbar in Windows 11, and this also works for Windows 10 as well. So to remove an app from your taskbar, you need to simply just right click on it and then click Unpin from taskbar. And once you do that, you can see that the app is now gone. And let's say if you wanted to pin an app to your taskbar, right now I have Google Chrome and I wanted to pin it to my taskbar, you would just right click on it and then click pin to taskbar. So that is how you unpin or pin your apps to your taskbar. If this video was helpful in showing you how to add or remove apps from your taskbar, please give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.